LA. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Danke. Wait, that's German. I have not taken Spanish class for a long time. Hey, what is up, guys? It is your boy. Wait. It's your homie. It's your friend. It's your dude. Camden Garris back with another video. And today, wait, I should say this. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? I've not taken Spanish class for like 3 years, so I don't know. I know dog is perro. Cat is un gato. Wait. Danke. Wait, that's German. Beta. No, that's German! Gee. Okay. Well, I have not taken Spanish class for a long time, as you can tell. Getting my languages mixed up. But since you guys liked the last video, I thought I'd do this video for you guys. So today, I will be doing the Spanish alphabet, and I've not done this for a while, as I said, for like the 100th time. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to say them anymore. Like, I kind of do, but I don't. I didn't look, well, I looked up the words, but I didn't, like, listen to it. Yeah, so you guys like the burping video, so I'm going to burp this. So, let's get out to the video. Alright. Alright, so the first, I think, wait, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Okay, they have the same English alphabet. I'll be looking over here a little because that's where my computer is. So sorry if I'm looking all over because I get distracted easily. But that's okay. No, it's not. But here we go. That was not even a burp. Alright, that's supposed to be ah. Alright, and then next is they. Say. Day. Hey. Hey. Chick. What's that? Hache? Hache. 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 Is that even how you say it? I don't even know. E. But it's supposed, I think it's like E, even though it's I. I don't know. Jota. 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 Ka. Oh, I didn't. I burped after I said it. LA. N-A. N-A. Erde. O. They. U. Ede. S-A. Day. U. They. Uve doble. Uve doble. Hey, I'm not trying to make fun of Spanish people in this video, okay? Like, I just think languages are really cool, and I just wanted to do this to make you guys enjoy it. But, yeah, so just know that, okay? Uve doble. Wait, what is this? Aquace. Egrede. Zeta. Alright, so that'll be the end of the video. Comment down below what other languages I should do. Maybe like German, Japanese, like any of this. Just remember, guys, I am not making fun of anyone. I'm not going to. Like, literally, I think languages are cool. I like how we have different languages, because if we all had one language, this world would be kind of boring. And we want to have things to learn, and I want to learn more things. I want to learn German, French, like, stuff like that, okay? So just know, I'm not making fun of anyone, okay? Okay. But I will see you guys in my next video. You guys are amazing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Subscribe, like, comment down below what other languages I should burp. And I will see you guys in my next video. It is your boy, Camden Garrish, checking out for now. Maybe I will have 1 or 2 of these videos per week. But right now, I think I'm going to have 3 this rest of this week. Like, 1, obviously, today, which is Thursday. And then 1, like, Saturday. But, I don't know what tomorrow's video is, because I have not filmed it. Maybe it's going to be a room tour, so stay tuned, because my room tour, like, my room is pretty cool, but it's not 100% done, just to know that, and I'm just getting it all done, if that makes sense. But I will still do a room tour, and then, like, an updated one in, like, February. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your boy, Camden Garrish, checking out for now. I already said that, like 20 times. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I already said that. Alright, peace!